Hi, this is John from JPad. Today we're going to be looking at Countif, which is a really useful function which allows you to count cells which meet certain conditions. Here I've got some sample data. Let's see what we can learn from it using Countif. Problem A. How many records are male? So I'll double click into an empty cell and enter the formula equals Countif open brackets, and inside the brackets we need to insert two arguments or parts. The first argument is the range. These are the cells to be counted. And the second argument is the criteria. This is the condition that needs to be met. The arguments are separated by comma. So the range to be counted is C11 to C21, comma, and the condition that needs to be met is open quotes, male, close quotes, close brackets, press return, and we can see that there are 7 male rows in our data. Great. Let's look at problem B. How many records have 2 cars? Again, double click into an empty cell and enter the formula equals Countif open brackets. And this time the range is the car column, which is D11 to D21, comma, and the criteria is 2. At this time we don't need quotation marks around the criteria. The rule is that if the criteria is a simple number like 2, 5, 10, it does not need quotation marks. Any other criteria does need quotation marks. So let's close that bracket, press return, and we see that 3 records have 2 cars. Lastly, let's look at problem C, which is a bit more complicated and will require us to combine 2 Countif functions. How many records are aged between 30 and 50? Let's double click into an empty cell again, type equals Countif open brackets, and this time the range to be counted is E11 to E21, comma, and the condition is open quotation marks greater than or equal to 30, close quotation marks, close brackets, return, and we can see that 9 records are aged more than 30, or 30 or more. From those records we now want to discount records which are greater than 50. So I'll double click in the cell again, go to the end of the formula and add a minus sign and another Countif function, open brackets. The range to be counted is the same as the first Countif, E11 to E21, comma, and the criteria is now greater than 50. Close quotation marks, close brackets, press return. We can see that there are 3 of our records that are aged between 30 and 50. That's all for this video. Hope it was helpful. Please look out for more videos and tips from JPad and come and visit us at jpadsolutions.com.